Alia, first question. Ready? Your biggest fear?
My biggest fear, failure.
Failure. Your first love?
This boy.
Which boy?
My first boyfriend, I think.
How old were you? School?
I was, 15.
15?
Yeah.
Okay, your biggest crush of all time?
My biggest crush?
Of all time, yeah.
Ranbir.
Ranbir Kapoor? Okay. If you could beat someone up, since you're playing a spy, who would it be?
Beat someone up.
Beat someone up.
I don't like to beat people up.
No?
I mean, but maybe I'll beat someone up who is like troubling me in that moment.
Okay, in that moment.
Yeah.
Okay. If you could kiss someone, who would it be?
Kiss.
Kiss.
Edward. Yeah.
Edward?
My cat.
Your cat. Okay. What is love, according to Alia Bhatt?
Love, understanding.
Understanding. Favorite food?
Dal chawal.
Dal chawal. Favorite ice cream flavor?
Huh?
Ice cream flavor.
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip.
No,
Beach?
no, no. Malai.
Malai.
Yeah.
Chocolate chip
Malai.
and malai.
ये कौन सा flavor है? The beach or the mountain?
Mountain.
The mountain. Your favorite Mahabharat character?
Draupadi.
Draupadi. So if Amir does,
Yeah, of course. मैं dates अभी दे दूंगी.
you are ready to play Draupadi in Amir's. Okay. Your favorite actor of all time?
Ranbir.
Ranbir Kapoor. Favorite Hollywood actor in film?
Jennifer Lawrence. Oh, that Meryl Streep.
Meryl Streep and film. Any film?
Film. Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind.
Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. Okay. Kangana, Deepika or Priyanka, your favorite actress out of the three. Who's the best actress? Kangana?
Actress?
Kangana, Deepika or Priyanka?
Kangna.
Kangana. Ranbir or Varun? I think we know the answer.
Ranbir.
Ranbir, okay. One film you wished you were a part of?
One film I wished I was a part of. I don't wish. What film comes to me, I'm happy.
Okay. Your message to this government, if there's a message to the government? Give a message.
I don't know. I have quite a few things. I think let's focus on animals a little bit more.
Band Baja Barat or Padmavat?
Band Baja Barat.
Band Baja Barat.
I mean, it's my first film. It was the most raw and unaware of the craft that I've ever been, and I always feel like I'll never be able to top that. There's so much honesty. There's like, I watch it, I'm like, I literally didn't know anything. It's too special.
This is the most frequently asked rapid fire question ever. I'm going to ask it to you because you're involved with it. Ranveer Singh or Ranbir Kapoor, according to you, the better actor?
Me? You're asking me
Yeah.
whether me or Ranbir?
Assess your own performances, no?
I'll choose Ranbir. Thank you very much.
Liar. Okay. Deepika or Kangana? Better actor?
Deepika.
Deepika.
घर जा रहा हूँ मैं अभी.
Okay. Shah Rukh Khan or Govinda? Better actor?
For me, they are both icons. But I have worked with Govinda ji before, so I've got special love for him because now I know him as a person also, and he's too special to me. That said, I mean, I've grown up being a Shah Rukh Khan fan, so he's large part of the reason I ever wanted to become a hero. So both of them, but having worked with Govinda ji, I would say Govinda ji.
Govinda. Okay. Salman Khan or Amir Khan?
Both. What?
Choose one, yeah.
Choose one as...
Your favorite?
I mean, there's nothing to choose between them. They're both inside me, in my DNA. I've grown up on their films. Like, how do you choose?
Okay. Greatest Indian actor of all time?
Greatest?
Indian actor of all time?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan. Madhuri Dixit or Sri Devi?
Both.
Again, more. Final question.
Yeah.
One tagline, if you're an ad guru, one tagline that you'd give yourself.
Right.
Ranveer Singh की tagline क्या होगी?
Ranveer Singh का tagline क्या होगा?
Tagline, you have to decide. Your tagline.
रणवीर सिंह. देखो, इंडिया टुडे के कवर ने बोला अल्टीमेट शोमैन. द अल्टीमेट शोमैन. तो वो तो है ही.
Nice one.
वो तो इंडिया टुडे ने बोल दिया है.
The sexiest thing about you?
About me? क्या हो सकता है? हाँ? Hair. My hair. ठीक है.
What turns you on?
What turns me on? I think confidence. Confidence.
Confidence turns you on. If one person, any man that you want to go on a date with, who would it be? एक option दीजिए आपको एक date पे जाने की.
You.
Where will you take? Where will we go on a date?
वो भी मैं बताऊं? He's asking me हम कहाँ जाएंगे डेट के लिए?
What is your ideal date now? Like what do you prefer?
Ideal date should be somewhere. Movie, romantic movie.
Romantic movie, okay. Which is more preferable? Being fair.
Being fair.
Being fair. Describe what will bring you the ultimate happiness in life.
Ultimate happiness.
Yeah.
I think being with my guru.
Love or money?
Love or money? Love तो लोगों का रोज रोज चेंज होता रहता है. Money बेचारा.
Last section. If you would wake up as these following people, what is the first thing you will do? PM Narendra Modi. First thing you will do.
Oh my God! If I wake up as Prime Minister of India, मेरे को यार बड़ा छोटा सा मामूली सा मेरा काम है जो कि मेरा बहुत ही I'm sorry to have a very personal favor, but चंडीगढ़ से मनाली की ड्राइव इतनी लंबी है, वहाँ का कोई अच्छा सा एयरपोर्ट नहीं है, so I will कुल्लू में एक अच्छा एयरपोर्ट बनवाया जाए.
कुल्लू में एयरपोर्ट चाहिए आपको. विराट कोहली. If you woke up as Virat Kohli.
If I woke up as Virat, I don't know what to do as Virat Kohli.
Nothing.
Virat Kohli, I don't know. I don't even know anything about cricket. But my cousin is a very big fan, so I will probably make Virat call my cousin, call Varun, and he will be maybe
You will
say
call
hi
your cousin
to-
basically. Okay.
Yeah.
Salman Khan. If you woke up as Salman Khan.
If I wake up as Salman Khan, तो मैं मीडिया वालों के ऐसे कान ऐसे खींचूंगी.
मीडिया वालों के कान क्यों खींचोगे आप?
Because they are okay with if Salman does it, but if
Not
I
okay.
say it, it's not okay.
Last one. Hrithik Roshan. If you woke up. I had to. See the reaction I had to.
तुम्हारी डेट कैंसल.
Last one. Reaction तो देखें आप.
If I wake up as Hrithik Roshan to जो भी हमारे बीच में whatever karma that we have exchanged, I will call Kangana and I will tell her I'm sorry for what I did.
Better actor, Shah Rukh Khan or Kajol?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan is the better actor. Okay, nice. Who's the most attractive man in the industry right now and all time?
Who is the most attractive man in the industry?
as of now and all time?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, and the most attractive woman in the industry as of now and all time?
Aishwarya Rai.
Aishwarya Rai. Okay. If you could transform into someone whose personality and appearance you could take, it's yours. A man or a woman, who would you like to be? Don't say Shah Rukh Khan.
If I could transform into someone, firstly, it's very difficult to transform into somebody else. Even in your head, you admire them, so you don't want to transform. But I really want to be Meryl Streep for one day.
Meryl Streep?
Yeah. I mean, I just want to get into her head. And I just want to be that brilliance for just one day. If I can just acquire her brilliance for one day, I'll have reached some kind of nirvana.
No doubt. Greatest actor of all time. Okay. Rank in order. Best to worst actress. This is what you do. Deepika, Kangana, Priyanka, Kareena. Deepika, Kangana, Priyanka, and Kareena. Best to worst actress. Let's see.
Deepika, what did you say?
Deepika, Kangana, Priyanka, and Kareena.
Okay, I'm going to go with... It's tough because I think there are three actors that are on an equal level. Actually, all of them, very interesting choice of actresses. I'm going to say Deepika and Kareena on one and Priyanka and Kangana on two.
All right. Ranveer Singh or Ranbir Kapoor, the better actor?
You ain't getting an
Oh,
answer.
why? Why? You're working with both. Come on.
All right, you don't choose between such incredible
You can.
talents. I already told you that I think my all-time favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. So I want to say that great,
This is not fair.
great, absolutely great, continuing the legacy, great talent with Ranveer and Ranveer. It's just a difference of one alphabet in terms of how you look at
I
it.
know, but who's your favorite? Ajay.
I'm working with both.
Great.
So, I mean, I don't want to choose between two fantastic actors.
Shah Rukh, Salman, Amir. Better actor, rank in order.
Shah Rukh, Amir, Salman.
Shah Rukh, Amir, Salman. Okay. Madhuri or Sridevi, the better actor?
I've always been an eternal Sridevi fan.
Sridevi?
And I love Madhuri to dying death, but Sridevi has always been my all-time favorite actor.
Amitabh Bachchan or Dilip Kumar?
Amitabh Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay. The sexiest thing about you?
My availability.
Availability. What turns you on?
Access.
Amazing. From the film industry, who would you like to have a steamy affair with?
You.
I am not from the film industry.
You are. You've just asked me only filmy questions that makes you member of the industry.
No, I'm
No,
not.
who would I like to have an affair with? No, I wouldn't want to date anyone from the industry because all of them are two of them.
If you were an ad guru, what tagline would you give Karan Johar?
He came.
All right.
He didn't see, he didn't conquer, he just came.
Okay. If you have to do away with one of the following, your pouch selfie, gossip, or designer clothes, what can you do away with?
I can do it with gossip. It comes to me, I don't ever chase it.
Gossip, huh? Okay, the first thing you would do if you woke up as one, Narendra Modi.
I would just keep doing what I'm doing because I'm doing it brilliantly.
Nice. Kangana Ranaut. If you woke up as Kangana.
I would be the great actor I am and just focus on that, acting.
Acting, nice. Virat Kohli.
I would lead the way I am. I'm leading the way to great cricket.
Mr. Arun Puri, chairperson, India Today.
Well, he's the czar he's a media baron, and I would continue just honest reportage without any kind of frills and fancies.
Nice. Your dear friend in the photo, Salman Khan.
Woke up as Salman, I would rule the way I'm ruling. Just and with the crown steadily on my forehead as the biggest mainstream superstar.
Last one, your another dear friend in the picture, Akshay Kumar.
Well, I would just make sure that I keep making the money I'm making.
Keep making
and
money.
I would just be very grateful to Forbes for acknowledging it.
Because you have this great equation. If you're Salman Khan, make you Salman Khan for, let's say, what will you change immediately about you, and your yearly plan, what will it be?
What would I change immediately
Yeah,
No,
about
she
like
can
one
change
change
a
that
lot
you
of things,
want.
but she can't tell you.
Yeah, I have a small list. I have a small list.
Top of the list. First thing, priority.
Immediately,
Yeah.
I would stop doing weights and I would do yoga.
Really?
Yes.
He's known for weights. How can he lose weight? A lot of
It's
people.
my list, it's my changes.
okay.
No, right now I'm not doing weights. I mean, I do weight training, but I'm doing a lot of stretching.
Okay.
And I'm learning dancing.
Dancing. Nice. You're a good dancer. And same question to you. If you were Katrina, one change that you'll make.
You know, if I was Katrina, I would never change a goddamn thing.
Never? Nothing.
Nothing.
Perfect.
Why would I want to change something and be imperfect when I'm so perfect right now?
Moving on. So let's say you have to take Salman out on a date. What would be the perfect date for him? Perfect date for Salman Khan that you have to prepare. Yeah,
okay,
deal. But it's his date, huh? Like you have to
But
do a
okay.
date for him,
Oh.
not for yourself. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like he should feel like, okay, हाँ, कुछ effort किया है मेरे लिए. What's personalized to him? Yeah.
So his building is called Galaxy.
Okay.
So maybe from the room to the living room.
Okay.
A nice music playing and yeah,
Food.
some food.
You'll prepare the food or you'll order? What does he
I
want?
have to cook as well. in
I'm
this
just
thing.
asking.
I think order is better.
Orders better.
You can call from up.
Actually, you
also.
can just call.
Upar se. Same for you. Perfect date for her. That she likes.
Oh, I don't know what she likes, but I think pizza
Pizza.
at the Grand Hyatt would do okay, or sushi at 6:37 in the evening, that would be fine.
These are two disaster dates we've just described.
Pizza and sushi. Okay.
And no candlelight, because then you can't see food.
No candlelight. Okay. Don't like candlelight dinners. Okay.
सबसे ज़्यादा पसंदीदा सब्जी.
साग.
Favorite dance step.
भंगड़ा. करके दिखा ना कि स्टेप क्या होता है.
स्टेप आप कर सकते हैं. कौन सा?
फेवरेट डांस स्टेप क्या होता है? लाइक दिस.
ये. क्या?
So I like भंगड़ा. So yeah.
3 लोग जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा व्हाट्सएप या टेक्स्ट करते हैं. 3 लोग.
My wife, my manager. That's it.
दो ही
एक डायरेक्टर जिसकी फिल्म कर रहा हूँ मैं कोई.
अच्छा ठीक है. किसे सबसे ज्यादा मिस करते हैं?
My family.
ओके. आखिरी बार सबसे महंगी चीज क्या खरीदी थी और कितने रुपए में?
Yaar, I am not that materialistic. Yeah. Maybe these shoes.
ये कितने के आए थे जूते? काफी अच्छे जूते.
75,000.
75,000 के जूते हैं. बहुत वैल्यू फॉर मनी. इंडस्ट्री में सबसे बेस्ट ड्रेस्ड आदमी कौन है? बेस्ट ड्रेस्ड.
I think it's a cross between रणवीर सिंह and रणबीर कपूर. उनके बीच में कोई होना चाहिए, वो मैं हूँ.
अगर आप उठते हैं और आपकी पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो जाती है, मैं आपको ऑप्शंस दूंगा कि आप उठे हैं, यू वोक अप एज दिस पर्सन, सबसे पहली चीज क्या करेंगे? विराट कोहली. आप उठते हैं, विराट कोहली हैं आप, तो क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले?
मैं क्रिकेट खेलूंगा और क्या करूंगा. मैंने कहा छोड़ो एक्टिंग, क्रिकेट खेलते हैं अब. चलो लेट्स गो फॉर आईपीएल नाउ.
आईपीएल. आदित्य चोपड़ा. यू वोक अप एंड यू आर आदित्य चोपड़ा.
आदित्य चोपड़ा करूंगा तो
सोच समझ के.
मैं तो शायद मतलब कैमरा के सामने आते हुए थोड़ा सा शर्माऊंगा.
अच्छा.
इस कैमरा शायद ऑफ कोर्स.
करण जौहर. यू वोक अप और आप करण जौहर हैं.
I'll make love to myself.
अच्छा. सलमान खान. आप उठे हैं और आप हैं सलमान खान, क्या करेंगे?
नहीं, मैं शादी नहीं करूंगा फिर अगर सलमान खान बन के उठा तो.
Over 100 years legacy of making trusted milk products and empowering farmers. Nestle commemorates the World Milk Day.
आने वाले कल की दस्तक हमें सुनाई देती है. नई मंजिल है जिस ओर हमें वो दिशा दिखाई देती है. नए इंडिया का नया जोश, नए इंडिया का नया जोश, नए जोश से निकल पड़े हम. आने वाला कल होगा हमारा. नए इंडिया का नया जोश.
और नए इंडिया के सफर में टेक्नोलॉजी की शक्ति लेकर आपका भागीदार रहेगा रिलायंस. नए इंडिया का नया जोश.
The news break. The call of duty. The greater good. The reality on the ground. For the story. For you. Nothing but the gold standard. India Today.
A disposable syringe, please. When someone asks for a disposable syringe, always recommend Dispovan because it is a promise of safety.
एक साथ एक एक करके आंसर करना है. अजय और काजोल दोनों के लिए. इनमें से बेहतर अभिनेता कौन है? रणबीर कपूर या रणवीर सिंह?
रणबीर कपूर.
आप क्या मानते हैं?
I think I'm not being diplomatic. I think दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे हैं. दोनों अपनी अपनी जगह पे fabulous actors हैं.
चलिए, सलमान, शाहरुख, आमिर या अक्षय? बेहतर एक्टर सलमान, शाहरुख, आमिर, अक्षय?
अजय देवगन.
काजोल आपके लिए?
My name is not Khan, but definitely, yeah, I agree with Ajay Devgan. If he can say that, why can't I? Yeah.
करण जौहर या आदित्य चोपड़ा बेटर डायरेक्टर कौन है? करण जौहर या आदित्य चोपड़ा?
यार अगेन अगर कुछ कुछ होता है और दिलवाले देखिए तो दोनों को उतने ही नंबर मिलते हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
और कई बार दोनों ने भी उतनी खराब फिल्में बनाई हैं। तो
फूल और कांटे या सिंघम?
This I can't decide.
काजोल?
सिंघम।
सिंघम हाँ। ओके किशोर दा या रफी साहब?
किशोर दा।
This is बहुत मुश्किल। I mean
टफ है हाँ।
टफ इसलिए क्योंकि जो रफी साहब गा सकते थे वहाँ किशोरदा थोड़े मिस हो जाते थे, लेकिन जो किशोरदा कर सकते थे वहाँ रफी साहब तो अपने अपने जॉनर में।
लेकिन आपका फेवरेट कौन है? फेवरेट एक तो फेवरेट होता है
यार मूड पे।
अच्छा
जब मूड थोड़ा सैड हो तो रफी साहब है, जब मूड खुश हो तो किशोरदा है।
माधुरी या श्रीदेवी?
For me? Me for Sridevi.
श्रीदेवी?
Always.
अजय?
I know it's Madhuri. I'll tell you his answer.
माधुरी? पड़ोसन या जाने भी दो यारों?
Sorry?
पड़ोसन या जाने भी दो यारों? पड़ोसन हाँ। अच्छा अगर आप नींद से उठे, ये फाइनल सेक्शन है, नींद से उठे और आपकी पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो जाए, लाइक इफ यू वेक अप एज, तो मैं आपको ऑप्शंस दूंगा, आप क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले, ठीक है? अगर आप उठे और आप बन जाए काजोल, तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? काजोल
बकबक करना शुरू कर दूंगा।
आप बन जाए अजय?
मैं रजाई लेके वापस सो जाऊं।
सो जाए। अच्छा अगर आप बन जाए नरेंद्र मोदी, उठे और नरेंद्र मोदी जैसे उठे आप, मोदी साहब, क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले?
सबसे पहले तो मुझे 4 बजे उठना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा लेकिन करेंगे क्या? करेंगे क्या?
पहले उठने तो दो 4 बजे यार।
काजोल?
If I become नरेंद्र मोदी,
हाँ
जैसे उसने कहा है, आई थिंक 4 बजे उठना ही मुझे 1-2 घंटे लगेंगे नशा मतलब निकलने के लिए।
अच्छा राहुल गांधी, अगर आप उठे राहुल गांधी बने हो, क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले?
अब मैं फिर से सो जाऊंगा।
फिर से काजोल आप उठे राहुल गांधी जैसे, क्या करेंगे?
Change the script right now.
अरे स्क्रिप्ट चेंज कराएंगी आपकी उसकी? हाँ अच्छा महेंद्र सिंह धोनी, अगर धोनी अभी का धोनी आप उठे नींद से और धोनी बने हो तो क्या करेंगे?
प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू कर दूंगा।
प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। काजोल?
किसी एड के शूटिंग के लिए चली जाऊंगी।
एड शूट हाँ। अगर आप उठे और आप हो करण जौहर फिर क्या करेंगे?
फिर तो सो भी नहीं पाऊंगा।
काजोल? केजो?
If I woke up as Karan Johar, first thing I would do is throw all his shoes out.
Throw shoes?
Yes, throw all his shoes out. इतने diamonds मतलब बचे हैं उसके जूतों में।
मैं अगर होता तो मैं भी वार्डरोब चेंज करता अपना।
वार्डरोब चेंज कर लेते, जूते बाहर। आखिरी अक्षय कुमार, अगर आप अक्षय कुमार हो, उठे, आपके पुराने साथी आपको अभी ट्वीट करके भी उन्होंने कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन करा था 100 फिल्में होने पर, पुराने आपके साथी हैं।
एक्चुअली आई वोंट माइंड टू मच।
अच्छा आप माइंड नहीं करेंगे? अक्षय से खुश है?
I mind, he's a vegetarian.
हाँ तो अक्षय नॉनवेज खाएगा।
अक्षय नॉनवेज खाएगा।
Out of these, if not Spider-Man, Thanos, Iron Man, Captain America, Thor, which one would you want to play?
Iron Man.
Iron Man, okay. If you could date one of these, Brie Larson, Captain Marvel, or Scarlett Johansson, Black Widow?
Ooh, Black Widow.
Black Widow, Scarlett Johansson, no surprise over there. Okay, first thing that you would do if you actually got Spider-Man's powers?
First thing I would actually do if I got Spider-Man's powers, just go swinging around New York.
New York, swinging around New York.
Yeah.
Okay, and if you were to be another actor or actress, and you could swap your face and your personality, who would you be? An actress and an actor.
I would probably be someone like DiCaprio.
Leonardo
for a
DiCaprio?
day. Yeah.
And an actress?
Olivia Colman.
Thanos, Iron Man, Captain America, or out of these three, if not Thor, what would you play?
Thanos, Captain America, Ant-Man, I'd say he'd be Captain America, and I'd call him Captain Australia.
Cap. Okay, Brie Larson, that's Captain Marvel, or Scarlett Johansson, Black Widow. Who would you rather date?
I'd date. I'd probably say my wife. Neither of those. She may be watching, and I'll get in a lot of trouble if I answer that question.
Okay, if you had the neuralizer for real, what is the first thing that you would do?
I'd probably wipe my own memory from a few,
Which one?
Disturbing. There's a whole lot of things in here you don't want to know about.
You don't want to know. Final question there then. If you were in a fight with the Avengers, who is the one that you want to have like a face-off with and come out winning in a one-to-one fight, like a grand action sequence?
I'd probably pick someone I'd, feel like I would win against, right? Because I wouldn't want to fight somebody you'd lose against. So probably Hawkeye.
Okay.
I mean, I love Hawkeye, I love Jeremy Renner, but I think Thor and him is not a fair matchup.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.